Kitala kunyiza abantu ku weekend. Oba kadama bafuna obudde. Imanyi. Naye yaji recordinga towards the end of last week. Naye omuliro ne gweyongera ennyo mu weekend. Tugenda ofuluma weekend ng'ekigambo Juliana Kanyomozi buli omwachi kisigadde bulere. So ko tuwe video yasooka ya Juliana Kanyomozi. Ebyasooka ndowooza.
Eyo yakubiri.
So someone had an accident and he happens to have had a divorce maybe like a year ago, and then his ex came online and celebrated it. So when I saw that post, it reminded me of the very many posts I see on the internet, like when someone dies or when someone is unwell. There's a new trend where people just come online and celebrate it because maybe they don't like the person. I just feel terrible that this is the trend that, you know, we're dealing with in this generation. Ebizibu tebiriko oba oli Uganda, oba oli mu America, oba oli Nigeria, tebiriko chintu, tebiriko myaka, ebizibu bya buli omu. So when we celebrate someone nga aina kyayitamu, what does that say about us? What does that say about what's going on inside our heads? What's going on inside our hearts? I think it says more about who we really are on the inside than what's really happening to that person. It's just a trend that worries me, to be honest, because we can have different beliefs, we can have different political beliefs, we can have different thoughts, we can have all kinds of beliefs that may not be the same. We may have fallen out with someone even, but when something bad happens to them, that is the time when you become human. Anyway, I just wanted to share because it really, really scares me where we're going with that. I don't know what that will be 10 years down the road if right now someone dies and people come online and celebrate it.
Your video yasoka. Nemusoka muvayo.
Nemuvayo.
Atajibulirangamu yajibuuza muneti yali etya
yayigaali
nebasooka bamuwa we bamuwa naddamu na Juliana tubadde tumumanyidde ng'omuntu ajja n'ateekawo ekintu kye n'atambula n'agenda naye ku luno yakomyewo era byakomawo n'atuwa eno
okuvuma kubadde kufuusa okuvuma, which is fine kubanga abantu babeera ne different ways of expressing their frustration. People have different ways of expressing their anger, and I don't blame you. And I hear you, bogamba nti mwino obusungu. Nkitegeera, nkiwulira. Nange nina ebinnuma ku mutima ng'omuntu. Natandika okusooka experiencing ebintu by'okunvuma mu 2015, must have been 2015. Yeah, 2015. Twali tukola campaign ya Tubonga Nawe. And that time was the first time when nasooka okulaba abantu nga bayinza okuvuma ekigambo noga bokitegeera nga tosakiisa mukama wako naye olinga akyogera. Like people were really, really angry and vile. Waliwo ekintu kyenzize ndaba, unfortunately nga kikwatagana ne mukwano gwange Bobby. Bwe nasandika okulaba ebintu ebyo nasookanga ne mbignoringa. Kasibitwala serious nga abaana nabo like, because omuntu gwe banvumiranga batandika okunvuma nga bampita traitor as far as Bobby is concerned when he started his campaigns and when he joined politics. Bobby and I have been really good friends for that long. When he joined politics, I was there. Yanyumiza ngabagenda okugenda mu politics, and I was shocked, but I was also like, I had a lot of respect for him for like going down the road, because we all know politics is not a simple thing. Some people can handle it, some of us do not have the skin for it, so I respect anyone who gets into it. So when he told me, I was really shocked. Nene mugamba, you know what? I'm proud of you. I really wish you well. I hope everything goes well for you. I hope you find your success. Nafuna obuzibu, the first time he got problems. When he got arrested. We were all concerned for him. Nakubanga amasimu buli sawa. Nga bwe mbasoode kufuna babi nkubira Eddie yawe. Because fena twali Ayogedde, especially his friends. Namwe abamwagala bafaani be, you know, I know you are all concerned. I was there for him. Nze omu ku basooka emagere. I remember we went with a couple of our friends to Kyalire ku babi, tulabe how she's handling, because you can imagine omuntu ali somewhere where you can't even reach them. Byali bizibu. But as his friends, or as his friend, let me speak for myself, as his friend, I was concerned. And that concern had nothing to do with his political beliefs or mine. Bobi Wine omu ku bantu bensinga okusanyukira nga afunye milestone. Nsanyuka nnyo kuba mmanyi gye yava. Ng'omuntu, not as a politician. Do I have the same political beliefs as he does? No. Ate ekyo buli omu alina eddembe lye. Just because ndi mukwano gwa Bobby kyali tekitegeeza nti nina okugenda and join his campaign, his political campaign. Nange ndi Waddembe okukola nze byenzikiririzaamu ng'omuntu. Well, we are different. Bobby Wine and I tetulina buzibu with each other. We talk, actually. So I don't know why you guys have a problem with our friendship.
Juliana emphasizing nnyo side gyagwako emirundi giringa esatu lwagende wa babi nga bubwe bamukwatidde mu Arua.
Yes,
emphasizing ensonga emutwale wa babi si lwakuba nti yalakkiririza muno ekyamukwatisawa naye agendayo nga mukwano gwe. Aina Kyayagala awo nga tunagenda kumukkiriziganya mu kyebyobufuzi zibadde gundi esatu.
Era bagendayo n'emikwano oluvannyuma nga bamutadde oba agamba kiri ekya Julius yabakulembera
ekyo era ageza kulaga nti ngendayo nga mukwano gwange. Juliana comeback yabadde ya ensonga y'okukoma kwa Juliana yabadde ki?
Ndowooza mu bubaka obwasookera ddala gundi gye yakola eyasinga okukola